You see, let us not go to any other state. Let us think of our neighboring this Mahadevapura constituency. I also saw all those things. A person, no addresses, without address they are joined this in, they are enrolled in the voter list. How it can be possible? You see, ours is also a lab. So after in the parliament election, our own government was there. So we should have been more alert. Instead of now, we are alert now. But earlier itself, if you are alerted, we averted all this malpractice.
And the result of the Lok Sabha election would have
Yes, you see, in all the 7 assembly segments, we have got the majority. In only one, that is Mahadevapura, we lost it. It has tilted the balance of the result. You see, out of 8 assembly segments, 7 assembly segments we are leading. So only in Mahadevapura constituency we lost the elections. Is it not due to the malpractices? Yes. Thank you.
बेंगलुरु में कोऑपरेशन मिनिस्टर KN राजन्ना ने कांग्रेस हाई कमांड के हुक्म पर इस्तीफा दे दिया। यह फैसला उस वक्त हुआ जब राजन्ना ने महादेवपुरा में वोट फेरी के बारे में ऐसा बयान दिया जो पार्टी के राय के खिलाफ था। राहुल गांधी ने बीजेपी पर वोट चोरी का इल्जाम लगाया, मगर राजन्ना ने कहा कि वोटर लिस्ट तो कांग्रेस हुकूमत में बनी थी और हम आंख बंद किए बैठे थे। अपनी ही पार्टी पर बार बार तनखीद करने से ओहदेदार नाराज हुए और इन्हें ओहदा छोड़ना पड़ा।